Okay, today's recipe is going to be a Sloppy Joe Casserole. Everybody loves Sloppy Joes. This is going to make it even easier. Starting out, I'm going to grab 1 pound lean ground beef. We could be doing this the easy way or the hard way. Hard way is you make your own Sloppy Joe mix. This channel is all about everyday food for everyday people. So I want to keep it simple for people that are just making the everyday dish. So I'm going to skip the homemade. But now if you want to do the homemade, I've got a video for making your own homemade Sloppy Joe mix. Now we'll post that at the end. But for now, I'm just going to grab a can of Manwich Sloppy Joe mix. Moving on. Now, I usually don't have cheese on my Sloppy Joes, but this recipe calls for it. So I'm getting myself a package of cheddar jack cheese. Okay, so now instead of regular buns, we're going to be using biscuits. Refrigerated biscuit dough. Everything else you should have at home. So I'll catch you all back at the kitchen. See you shortly. Welcome to my kitchen. It is time to finish up our recipe here. Now I've got my oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to be browning up some ground beef over here, so join me over at the cooktop. Okay, I'm starting out with a very lean blend of ground beef because I want to be left with as much meat as possible. I don't want it to all, render away. I've got a big 9x13 baking dish, and I want to make sure it's fully covered. Okay, now that I've got the ground beef drained, you drain it any way you like. I just find that little paper towel and tong method pretty easy. I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit since it's all browned. I'm going to be adding my Manwich sauce. Going to turn that heat way down because it no longer really needs to be cooking because we're about to put it into a 375 degree oven, so it's going to finish the job in there. But now it's looking more like the Sloppy Joe you're used to. Now if you're doing the homemade, you'd probably be seeing things that are more obvious like caramelized onions, maybe some bell peppers in there. Now, just because I used the Manwich, does that mean I'm going to leave it alone? No, because I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add a little brown sugar to this mixture. Not a whole lot, but just a little. Why? Because I like brown sugar, and 2, I can, and 3, I'm in the South and we put brown sugar on everything in the South. Get that all well blended in there. Back to this point, I'm just going to turn the heat off. Just simmer with the heat that's currently in the pan. Just going to finish this off, get that brown sugar all blended in. Then we're going to be taking it back over to the countertop and putting it into the baking dish. Okay, that's looking real good right there. Just gonna drop this Sloppy Joe mix in. Like I say, if you wanna make your Sloppy Joe homemade, I will have that link to my video on making homemade Sloppy Joe at the end of this video. So look for it there. Get this all spread out. To that, I'm gonna be adding my cheese. Boy, they did not put that tear spot in the right spot. Okay. I'm going to put about half this bag in here. Just enough to get good coverage. I don't know, maybe I'll put the whole bag in. I like cheese, don't y'all? perfect. Gonna open up my can of biscuits. That's a satisfying sound, isn't it? I love that sound. Let's start spreading those out. Perfect. And into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Out of the oven, it is looking and smelling terrific. Check this out. That's awesome. Let me scoop some of this out. Now I did pre-grease this dish. I'm not sure if I really needed to because, you know, the fat content within the ground beef. It's kind of hard to see the Sloppy Joe under there, but it's there. Let's take a big old bite of this. Look at that. It's gonna be hot. Yes, it is. But it is also very awesome. Awesome. I love Sloppy Joes. I'm loving this. You're gonna love it. If you're liking the video, hit the like button down below. If you want to find out how to make Sloppy Joes from scratch, click that video at the very end that I'm gonna post. Please give me a subscription if you're so of mind, and consider hitting that hot button if you're on a phone. Leaving me a comment, let me know where you're coming in from. I love the comments, love to find out where people are watching me from. With that said, I will catch y'all the next time. Bye-bye. I gotta have another bite.